So number one is really focus. When we're talking about focus, we're actually branching it out on a number of different things. So first focus is really understanding. That's the first focus. Understanding Tawheed, who you're worshiping. All right. Who is Allah? And you can't understand these if you don't understand who you are. Because by understanding your ubudiyyah, by understanding your Lord, you'll understand your ubudiyyah. What does that mean? By recognizing who Allah is in his names and attributes, that's when you will recognize who you are. When you look at the name Allah, Al-Ilah, the God, the deity, you are Al-Abd. You are the servant. You are Al-Makhluq. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Al-Khaliq. He's the creator. Well, yeah, there was that lady, she nursed him because he was crying. He's the one that gives you rizq. You are the person that is marzuq. You're the one that's given the rizq. And the list goes on and on. He is Al-Wahid. You are going to be, there are multiple of you. إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. The duality, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Wahid. You are, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala basically tells you that he created the whole universe in the system of binary. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is non-binary. But you come in dhikr and untha.